Hi, travellers. Welcome to Travel English Pro. I'm Ruben. Today we are learning 10 easy phrases for hotels. These are perfect for beginners. We're using A1, A2 vocabulary. Hotels can feel difficult, but these phrases are so easy. They're real words you can use on your trip. Use them to get a room or ask for help. Here we go. Number 1. I need a room. To ask for a room at a hotel. Example: Hi, I need a room for tonight. You can say, I need a room for 2 nights. I need a room for 2 people for 2 nights. Phrase 2. Do you have a room? Use this to ask if the hotel has space. Example: Do you have a room for tonight? Try tomorrow if today is full. Number 3. Is breakfast free? Use this to ask if breakfast comes with the room. Example: Is breakfast free with my room? This helps you to know if you pay extra. Phrase 4. Where do I go? Use this to find where you go after getting your key. Example: I have my key. Where do I go? Number 4. Can I charge my phone? Use this to ask if you can charge your phone. Example: My phone is off. Can I charge my phone? Example: My phone has low battery. Can I charge my phone? You could say, my phone is dying. Check your room for a plug first. Phrase 5. Is my room ready? Use this to ask if your room is ready for check-in. Example: Is my room ready? I have a booking. Show your booking on your phone or on a piece of paper. Say your name to get help. Phrase 7. What's the Wi-Fi password, please? Use this to ask for the hotel's Wi-Fi password. Example: What's the Wi-Fi password, please? I'd like Wi-Fi. Example: What's the Wi-Fi password, please? I need Wi-Fi. You can write the password down or take a photo so you don't forget. Phrase 8. Where can I eat? Use this to find a place to eat near your hotel. Example: I'm hungry. Where can I find a place to eat? The staff might say, in the hotel, or tell you somewhere else. Phrase 9. Can I have a towel, please? Use this to ask for an extra towel. Example: Can I have a towel, please? And you could replace towel with pillow. Can I have a pillow, please? And number 10. When is check out? Use this to ask when you should leave the room. Example, what time is checkout, please? If you want to stay longer, say, can I have a late checkout, please? So these phrases are so simple and they work in real hotels. So that's it for today. Which phrase did you find the most useful? Let me know down below. This is Travel English Pro. I'm Ruben. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.